When it comes to your protection on the road, the new CS35 Plus looks after your safety like a pro. It comes equipped with a dependable system that combines safety and technology to actively protect you and assist you so that driving remains safe for you, your passengers, and fellow road users. Introducing the SafeTech system of the new CS35 Plus. It's comprised of sophisticated active safety features that give you the freedom of daily driving with confidence and peace of mind. First, we have the Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC. This allows you to conveniently set desired speed when cruising down straight open roads. When activated, the ACC adjusts and decreases speed accordingly if the vehicle in front slows down, of course providing you an extra layer of protection. A built-in radar helps detect the motion of the vehicle in front and provides information to the ACC, instructing the vehicle to adapt to its speed. The controls to activate or cancel ACC that program the distance detection of the vehicles in front can be seen in the instrument panel, which can be changed using the cruise control buttons on the steering wheel. Now let's take a look at the Autonomous Emergency Braking, or AEB system, and the Front Collision Warning System. Combining sufficient braking assistance and the front collision warning system, the AEB elevates the safety profile of the new CS35 Plus by actively complementing the driver's brake force in case of emergency situations. The front collision warning alerts the driver visually on the digital panel display. This sets off an alarm to apply brake force when the system detects possible collision danger with the vehicles in front. The system has 3 levels of the warning sensitivity to further add to the vehicle's reliability, of course, in providing active safety. The higher the sensitivity activated, the more frequent the warning. Of course, the sooner the system alerts the driver of the possible danger of collision. The system activates both visible and audible alerts depending on your speed and distance from the vehicle in front, or if you're driving too close to the vehicle for a long time. Once the vehicle detects impending collision and senses that the driver's braking force is insufficient, the Autonomous Emergency Brake, or AEB, will decrease the vehicle's speed, then actively apply braking force to assist the driver, thereby helping to avoid the probability of collision. The new CS35 Plus looks after your safety in a big way. And that's because it's equipped with a panoramic camera system that has 4 high-definition cameras monitoring your surroundings in real time to give you both 2D and 3D visibility of the vehicle for a 360-degree view. With a full view of the vehicle right on your screen, maneuvering the new CS35 Plus is a cinch, especially when parking. It also helps you to avoid obstructions nearby when maneuvering in tight spaces. You also get HD quality video recording in all directions, as the camera system automatically activates recording before and after danger is detected, such as accidental collisions. The SafeTech system is clearly a step up in urban mobility safety in the subcompact crossover class, made possible by Changan's lasting commitment to the customer in advancing quality people moving solutions in a modern yet attainable package.